Hey guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to Share Mockery. Today we are going to learn easiest way to share your files across devices, and using this website you can share any file type of any size to any device across any distances. And the special thing about this is you don't need to download any of the softwares, and there's no limitation at all, and it's completely free. So what we have to do, first we have to open a website which is sendanywhere.com. Link I'll provide you in the description box. Now for sharing, we have to click on send and attach a file, and those who are the receiver, he has to input the key. This is the logic, that's it. So I'm the sharer, so I'll click on positive sign of this one, and then I'll select the file. Let's say I'll go to desktop and I need this PDF file. I'll click on open. And you'll see the file got attached, and then we have to click on send. For the direct one, there will be ads so that they can earn a small commissions or money. I'll click on skip now, and the pin will get generated. Now using that pin, you can download on mobile or desktop. If you are on another desktop, just open the anywhere.com, sendanywhere.com, and put this key in the receive input box, and the file will get downloaded. Let's say I want to download this file in my own computer. So I'll paste the key here and I'll say download. You'll see here also download is there in the process, and you need to wait for a second. Click skip, and this guy is sending the file and this guy is receiving the file. Let's try the same process in the mobile. We'll click OK for this. This is done now. Again we'll choose that file again. We'll select this PDF. We'll click open, then click on send. Skip the ad, pin will be generated, and I'll tell my friend to download this PDF on the phone. You can send any softwares also. Now I'm on the mobile browser, so I'll open Chrome or any other browser. I'll type here sendanywhere.com. The link I have provided you in the description box, and they will ask you to download an app, but no need to download an app. Just click on this option, this 3 button, and then select the desktop side. And then you'll see the same desktop site will get open. You have to click on receive, input the key which you saw on the computer, 740161. Then click on download, and there's an ad for 5 seconds. Then skip, and download will get into process. File got downloaded. Click OK, and if you'll close this tab, go to my files, go to internal storage, and there's a folder called download there. Download folder is there in the down one. Click on that, and you can see the same PDF I got. I hope you find it useful. Click thumbs up and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.